What's going on, my riders and drivers and information providers? Well, it's about 11:40 at night, Friday evening, and I just wanted to hop on real quick, making an amendment to my video that I'm actually editing right now. That reflects yesterday. I was doing a little road trip, running around, just getting out there exploring. But a fellow YouTuber, UDM, if you haven't checked out his channel, of course, you should be checking out his channel. It's pretty hilarious. I'm always on there. I love interacting with the fam, is what he call it. But he just gave me my mod.
Virgilio for earning his wrench. And if you did not, matter of fact, also Driver Sensei, brother, you have been on point. Let's congratulate Driver Sensei as well for earning his wrench. Driver Sensei is across the world on the other side. So right now it's morning for us. It's kind of like nighttime for him. And Driver Sensei is in almost all my streams. I think he's in all my streams. Driver Sensei been, dang.
Yo, I love how he looks kind of concerned that I'm in all his streams. Like, is this guy stalking me? What is he doing? But hey, I love it. I love it, UDM. Hey, thanks a lot for making me a mod. Thanks to the fam, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. Remember, don't just drive, be a driver. Always take care of your car before you do a road trip. Here we go. That's it. Driver Sensei, I'm out. Road trip. Shiraito.
Kids were playing.
Mm-hmm. That's another road trip for today for all my riders and drivers and information providers. But one thing I do want to say is get out there, explore your world. Don't be an individual that's a master of your city. Be one that's inquisitive of your entire planet, of your world. I mean, it's like 5.9 sextillion metric tons of weight this planet is. You should be out there to trying to explore all of it. I want to drive around and go through random streets, pick random buildings, random restaurants. Don't be the one who always goes to the table and select the item that you're familiar with. Something that looks like what you ordinarily eat. Look at that menu and pick something that you can't read. Try new things. It helps broaden your horizon of what's more than just being inside of your box. You might never know what new things you come across. I'm no different than anyone else. I just love taking advantage of traveling about, finding new restaurants, Thai restaurants with a beautiful, gorgeous sunset, and then wake up the next day. Because when that sunset goes down and you turn your head, there's inevitably going to be another sunrise. And you try to explore each one of those and take advantage of it. And remember how beautiful it is when you go outside of your ordinary box and explore your world. All right, drivers, be out there, hop in that car, train, bus, local transportation, bike, scooter, skateboard, hang glider, whatever it is that you need. But get out there and check out what's beyond your city, what's beyond your country. Remember, don't just drive, be a driver. Out.